Hey, by the way, I am just a beautiful avatar of the actress Taylor Swift. Tech for you chose. What do you think?
Just a few steps and you'll create an avatar like this in only 3 quick steps. It's free too. Let's dive in. Step 1, just choose a default avatar. You have all of these. Choose one of your preference. This is mine for obvious reasons. Step 2, upload an audio or write a text. I'm going with option number 2. Choose the voice too. Step 3. If you want, crop the photo. That's it. This is the result.
Thanks for watching Tech for You. I am a beautiful avatar created in this amazing tool. Thanks for watching.
But imagine you want to use your own photo. In step 1, just choose upload photo and follow the same process. Easy, right? Thanks for watching.
Tech for You brings you the best free tools. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. See you on my next video.
Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that I can bring more amazing content.